Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'd like to watch next? Or how Google shows you the perfect search result in seconds? Or how your favorite online store seems to magically suggest things you might buy? All of this is possible because of something called data science and big data analytics. Let's break it down so even a 10-year-old can understand. What is data? First things first, what is data? Data is just information. It could be numbers, words, pictures, videos, or anything else that gives us facts. For example, your age equals data, your favorite color equals data, what time you wake up equals data, how many steps you walk every day equals data. Even a simple sentence like Ali ate 3 apples has data in it. The name Ali, the action ate, and the number 3. Now imagine collecting data from millions of people every day. That becomes big data. What is data science? Here's a famous definition. Data science is the art of turning data into actions, decisions, and predictions. DJ Patil, former chief data scientist of the US, myths. In simple words, data science is like being a detective. But instead of solving crimes, data scientists solve problems by finding patterns in big piles of information. They use math, computer programming, and curiosity to ask questions like, why are people getting sick in a certain area? Which students might need more help in school? What kind of food do people like in summer? And then they look at the data to find answers. What is big data analytics? Imagine you have a huge mountain of Lego bricks in all colors and shapes. If you want to build something cool, you'll need to organize the bricks and find the right ones. That's what big data analytics does. It helps us make sense of giant amounts of messy data. It finds the useful parts, organizes them, and helps people make smart decisions. Real-life examples. Let's look at some cool ways data science and big data are used. YouTube and Netflix, suggesting videos you'll enjoy. Amazon, showing you products based on what others like you bought. Banks, detecting fraud if someone uses your card in a different country. Hospitals, predicting which patients need more care. Sports, helping coaches plan better strategies. Even weather apps use data science to predict rain or sunshine. A fun example, school lunch detective. Let's say your school wants to know which lunch meals students love the most. The principal collects data for a month. How many kids chose pizza? How many picked biryani? How many took salad? A data scientist can look at that data and say, pizza was picked the most on Fridays, but biryani was popular on Mondays. With this info, the school can plan better menus. That's data science in action. A famous quote. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. W. Edwards Deming, statistician. This means that data helps us make smart choices based on facts, not just guesses. What tools do data scientists use? They use cool tools and languages like Python, a computer language, SQL for working with databases, Excel, spreadsheets you might have seen, machine learning, teaching computers to learn from data. They also create charts and graphs to show their findings in colorful ways. Why should you care? Because data is the future. The world is full of data, and those who can understand it can solve real problems, invent new things, and even change the world. From helping farmers grow better crops to helping doctors find diseases early, data science is everywhere. So the next time you see a personalized ad, a game suggesting your next move, or a smartwatch tracking your steps, remember, there's a team of data scientists and analysts behind the scenes, using data to make life easier, smarter, and more fun. And maybe one day you'll be one of them.